Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the trends and practices for procurement management. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam of PMP near future. So let's start. First of all, I will request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. Friend, there are a number of major trends in software tools, risk processes, logistics, and technology with different industries that can affect the success rate of projects. So, first factor is basically advances in tools. Basically, there has been significant improvement in the development of tools to manage the procurement and implementation phases of a project. Online tools for procurement now give the buyers a single point where procurement can be advertised and provide seller with a single source to find procurement documents and complete them directly online. In the construction, engineering, infrastructure field, the increasing use of building information model in software tools has been shown to save significant amounts of time and money on projects using it. This approach can substantially reduce construction claims, thereby reducing both cost and schedule. Major companies and governments worldwide are beginning to mandate the use of BIM like softwares for large projects. Then next is the advanced risk management. Basically, an increasing trend in risk management is to write contracts that accurately allocate specific risks to those entitled most capable of managing them. No contractor is capable of managing all the possible major risks on a project. The buyer will be required to accept the risk that the contractors do not have control over, such as changing corporate policies in the buying organization, changing regulatory requirements, and other risks from outside the project. Contracts may specify that risk management be performed as part of the contract. Next is the contracting processes. There has been a significant growth in mega projects in the past several years, particularly in the areas of infrastructure development and engineering projects. Multi-billion dollar projects are now common. A large proportion of those involve international contracts with multiple contracts from many countries and are inherently more risky than projects using only local contractors. Increasingly, the contractor works closely with the client in the procurement process to take advantage of discounts through quantity purchases or other special considerations. For these projects, the use of internationally recognized standard contract forms is increasing in order to reduce problems and claims during execution. Next is logistic and supply chain management. Basically, because so many large engineering construction infrastructure projects are done through multiple international contractors, the management of the flow of materials become critical to successful completion. For long lead items, both the manufacture of the items and their transportation to the project site become schedule drivers. In the IT field, a long lead item may require ordering 2 to 3 months in advance. In complex construction projects, long lead items may require ordering 1 to 2 years in advance or longer. For these projects, the long lead items may be procured in advance of other procurement contracts to meet the planned project completion date. It is possible to begin contracting for these long lead materials, supplies, or equipment before the final design of the end product itself is completed based on the known requirements identified in the top level design. The management of the supply chain is an area of increasing emphasis by the contractor's project team. Not only are primary sources of supplies identified early in the project, but secondly, backup sources are also generally identified. Many countries around the world require international contractors to purchase certain minimum percentages of material and supplies from local vendors. The next is the technology and stakeholder relations. When publicly funded projects are under increasing scrutiny, a trend in infrastructure and commercial construction projects is the use of technology including web cameras, to improve stakeholder communication and relations. During construction, one or more webcams are installed on the site with periodic updates to a publicly available website. The progress on the project can be viewed on the internet by all stakeholders. Video data can also be stored, allowing analysis of if a claim arises. Some projects have discovered that the use of webcams minimizes disputes relating to the construction work on a site, as the webcam has recorded the events, so there should be no disagreement about the facts of the matter. Next is the trial en- engagements. Not only seller is well suited for an organization's environment, therefore some projects will engage several candidate sellers for initial deliverables and work products on a paid basis before making the full commitment to a large portion of the project scope. This accelerates momentum by allowing the buyers to evaluate potential partners while simultaneously um making progress on project work. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.